I did look at a few different programs, and I think what was different about Questrom was the opportunity to live in Boston. It's close to one of the biggest finance hubs on the planet and also gives me access to networking opportunities. The other programs had those opportunities, but not at that scale. And the opportunity to learn here was too attractive to pass on. My undergrad degree was in economics and it was very theoretical for me, so I always wanted to get more hands-on experience and I believed finance was the way to do it. I wanted to put theory and application together, and this was the perfect segue for me. Nothing was just on paper anymore, every concept was being used. I think a class that was really interesting to me because of the ways it made me think, it pushed me to think a certain way, was financial analytics. The capstone project in specific was us building a finance-related app. Me and my team built an app called Beat the Street. It basically helped users predict whether the earnings report of Wall Street would hit, miss, or beat the Wall Street prediction. It is very interesting to work on, and matter of fact, I keep working on it to make it a little better. About every class I've had in Questrom had an AI element to it. First, we got to learn how to do it ourselves, and then we were taught how to integrate AI, and something that took us maybe 15 or 20 minutes, AI can do it in 2. But again, that doesn't mean it was replicated. That just meant we learned an alternative approach to that. The MSF community is probably one of the best things that happened to me, both professionally and personally. I learned a lot in the classroom, and I really appreciated learning from my professors and gaining all the knowledge from Questrom School of Business. But what happened outside the classroom is when I went to networking events, which were only possible because, let's face it, this is Boston. I also understood the competition that's out there and where I stand. It's a whole package and a very worth it one. I did make the right choice being here. The time I spent here was extremely knowledgeable, and I got to learn a lot of different things from a lot of different people, and I met some of my closest friends here, and I am lucky I got to call Boston and Boston University home.